Alright, as you selected this video, it directly means that you are dead broke or maybe having that empty bank account or maybe close to that. You might be an international student or an immigrant, 9 to 5 employee, no matter what you are. These are the 10 deadly reasons which are pulling you to remain broke even in 2025. And by the end of this video, I promise you, you will understand how powerful these simple things can change your life. And I totally understand you maybe watch tens and thousands of videos like this, but this one, it's going to be a completely game changer for you. My name is Mihal Margula. Let us go into the video without any delay. Number one reason which I'm going to reveal is the most common objection I hear from each and every single person who wants to get started with their online business. That is, I don't have huge following. Here you are missing one simple logic. If you observe any big creator, maybe Mr. Beast, maybe Iman Gadzhi, or a small creator like me, it took a while for us to achieve what we have right now. And same formula works for you. But the thing is, you have to start at certain point, that is today, okay? And here I have a good news for you. You don't really need to have huge amount of following to get started with online business. Yes, there are plenty of business models in the market that you can get started with having that minimum followers of like 500 or maybe 1000 and still make 5 to 10,000 US dollars every single month. Yes, it is possible. Just for an example, I'll tell you one business model, that is high ticket affiliate marketing. Here you will be promoting already proven and tested products online, okay, which are created by top creators or top entrepreneurs in the market. You'll be promoting those digital products to your target audience in any specific niche, and once they buy from you, you'll get a higher percentage of commission from these products. That is like maybe 70% commission or 80% commission. Let's assume you're promoting a $1,500 product, right? And you're getting 70% commission. So it's somewhere around 1,000 plus US dollars. So if you make one sale of $1,500, you're making $1,000 commission, right? So there's no point of you worrying about having that huge amount of following like 10,000, 100,000 or 1 million when you just need one person to make that first $1,000. You understand? So it's not about the quantity, it's all about the quality. I know some people who have huge amount of following on social media, like millions of followers or subscribers, still they make peanuts. And I know people who have 4 to 5,000 Instagram followers and still make millions of dollars every single year. Yes. The second reason is shyness. I hear this from many people. They always say, I can't do it, I can't start online business, I can't hit that camera because I'm so shy. But here, if you observe one thing, these days, lawyers, doctors, teachers, real estate agents, restaurant owners, even housewives are creating content on social media and printing thousands of dollars every single month. Even you knew it, but still you have your reasons, right? But I totally understand. Maybe till now you not hit that camera for at least once. Maybe you feel weird, awkward. I totally get it. But here I have a solution for you. If you want to make it happen, just start filming yourself and treat your camera like a best friend, okay? Because whenever you talk with your friend, the flow will be super smooth and you will never feel weird or awkward, right? So start treating your camera as your best friend. Second thing is, if you not really comfortable at the initial pace of your journey, start wearing a mask and film yourself. That way you will not feel so weird and you'll get comfortable every single day, okay? But still, if you say, Mihan, I can't do it, my shyness is bigger than my goals, then I can't help you, I'm sorry. You can just skip this video right now and you can just be busy with your work. Reason number 3, what other people are going to think about me. Here, if you have this thing in your mind, I'm telling you, you are a fool. I'm so sorry to say this, but let me explain you. In this world, everybody is super busy in their life. Nobody has enough time to think about you. It's just you who overthink about things. For example, if I start an online business, what my friends will be thinking about me, what my parents will think about me, what my relatives think about me, what my community people going to think about me. It's just you who overthink. But in reality, nobody cares about you. Actually, nobody have enough time to think about you. Everybody is having so many problems in their life. Am I correct? Even you, if you see any person who is doing an online business or doing something unique, are you going to think about that person for the whole day? No, right? Maybe for 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes, After that, you will be busy in your life. So from now, stop overthinking and start taking action. Do what is required in your life. And whenever you start an online business, something unique, ask yourself why you started. If you have that one reason, that is knowing your why, if you have a strong why, nobody is going to stop you. Even you can't stop, because you know how important is that why you started your online business. That reason you should definitely know. Okay? The reason number 4 is having self-doubt. See, I understand maybe when it comes to starting an online business, starting something unique, you might have that self-doubt. We all have it. Even I do have when I started my online business. Whether if it is for me, whether can I do it or not, we always have this self-doubt. See, the most important reason we will have this self-doubt is because of our surroundings. If you observe our friends, relatives, family members, or community people, nobody does an online business. Everybody follow the same path, that is go to school, get a good job, work for 40 years and live the life, right? So this is what everybody follows. So we are obviously going to get this self-doubt. So the most important step for this, the solution for this is, number 1, start reading self-development books. By reading these books, you will unlock your own potential. You will understand how much you can do, how much you can achieve by reading these books. And if you ask me, recommend me some books, I will suggest you Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, Atomic Habits, and 48 Laws of Power. These books can literally change your complete mindset and unlock a different version of you. And number 2, surround yourself with right mindset people. That is, with entrepreneurs who are already successful. You can find these people in social media. You just follow them and see how they are documenting their journey from where they started and where they are right now. So by that, you will understand how these people are making millions of dollars every single year, and you will get one epiphany, that is, if they can do it, why can't I do it? So then you will start doing research, you will follow them, you will try to join their free master classes or maybe paid workshops, something like this, and you will improve day by day and you will get closer to your goal. The reason number 5, no money. I hear this from 99% of people. When it comes to starting an online business or anything which requires investment, even to learn some skills for yourself, you will be always telling, I don't have money, maybe next time, maybe when my situation is better, something like this. See, I understand you might be suffering financially, but you need to ask this question, why you are suffering financially? Because you are completely depending on your job, right? Where you get every single month the same paycheck, but you have all the EMIs in each and everything. So here, nobody will have enough money to start a business, to invest in themselves. Okay, you need to take some risk in your life to achieve new things, to unlock new things in your life. That is what the meaning of the risk. Risk is something when we take when our situations are not in our control. Even then, if we are taking any move, that is known as risk. Everybody don't have any money. You need to take that risk. Maybe you should ask friends, family members, use your credit card, take a personal loan, but start something for yourself. Maybe an online business, maybe like an investment which requires you to start something, maybe drop shipping, whatever it is. You should take that risk in your early 20s. If you miss it your early 20s, life will be so hard for you. Even if you want to start, you can't be able to do it because you will be having so many responsibilities. You understand? So stop giving this excuse, I don't have money. Nobody have money. Even I don't have any money when I started my online business. You can see somewhere here on screen, when I want to start my online business, I don't have any money. I used my credit card and I went minus 500 in my credit card. You can see this bank statement, right? So that's how I started. So nobody has enough money to start something. You should start if you want to change your life. The reason number 6, my friend said it is a scam. This is one of the silly reasons I hear from many people. And I totally understand. When it comes to starting an online business, starting something new, we always have that self-doubt and we try to get any advice from someone so that we can move forward with a little bit confidence, right? But here, whom you're asking is the most important thing that you will do. Because see, your friends will be working at McDonald's, Tim Hortons, or maybe 9-to-5 employees, right? And you're going to that people and asking that I'm going to start online business, what do you say? That people don't have any knowledge about online business. Obviously they are going to say, no, it is a scam. So you're asking a wrong person basically. If you really want to make money online, just find somebody who is making money online and take the advice from him. The advice will be definitely 100% accurate because he know everything about online business. He know how things work online. So here I want to tell you one thing. Stop asking advice from wrong people. Take the advice from someone who already doing that so that you'll get a perfect advice. Okay? The reason number 7, I already have debts. I can't start my online business. See, I totally understand you already have debts, but how you're going to get out of that debt? How you're going to be financially free? If you're just doing that 9-to-5 job or a part-time job where you get limited income and you know it is going to take long period of time to clear the debts, still you just convince yourself to not start an online business, to not invest in yourself. See, the moment when you have debts, that is the exact situation you need to start taking the risk and you need to try some different business models. I mean, any one specific thing you need to start and you need to give your 100% best. Here I want to tell you one thing. 9-to-5 will never kill your dreams. 6-to-9, what you will do will decide your future. It will kill your dreams if you are not using properly. So instead of saying I have debts, you just start your online business, take the risk, take the leap of faith, and definitely I'm telling you, if you put your 100% best, you can clear all your debts, which usually you will clear in maybe next 2, 3, 5, 10 years. You will clear all those debts in just maybe 3 or 6 months by starting an online business. And the reason number 9, prestige issue. Yes, this is one of the reason many people remain dead broke in their life. Because they are nothing actually, but still they care about the prestige to do a work. For example, starting an online business, you will think, no, I will not do it. If I do it, I will lose my prestige. I am more than starting an online business. I am more than starting an affiliate marketing business. I am more. You will think in that way, but you are nothing actually. If you check your bank account, the digits will be 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. You are dead broke person, but still you care about your prestige. You should only care about your prestige if you are a multi-millionaire. Like if you are in a situation like purchasing companies like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, if you are at that level, yeah, definitely don't do anything weird or don't do something crazy or don't do like online business, something like this. Just do specific things like purchasing companies, something like that. Because you are a multi-millionaire or a billionaire, right? Definitely then you will be having a lot of prestige. But now put your prestige aside and focus on taking imperfect actions and do what is working actually to make it happen, to make more money. Understand? And finally, the 10th reason, waiting for a good time to start, which is never going to come actually. And this is the reason you remain broke. Here you need to understand one thing. You do a regular 9-to-5 job. It means you have single source of income and you have bills to pay every single month. That is, you'll pay your grocery, you'll pay your rent, EMIs, debts, and etc. additional things. You will maybe like parties or something like that. And when you're going to get a good time to start, you will never get actually. And you will remain in this loop, like in this circle, in this rat race. So if you want to get rid of this, this is the perfect time to get started with. You need to start right now. You need to take imperfect actions. Obviously, I understand you might be not having money, you might be not having resources to get started with, but you need to take risk. If you really don't have money, just go get some personal loan or sell something which is useless in your house and make money and then start your business, start your online business. That's how you will get started with. Nobody has a good time to start. It will never come actually. Every day you have a problem, new problem. Many people say after 6 months I will start. After 6 months you are going to have same problem or you might be having a new problem. Because you have only one income source, you need to understand that. You need to take risk right now. This is the perfect time for you to get started with. Okay? So don't give this excuse. Alright, so these are the 10 reasons which are dragging you down to remain dead broke in your life. So please stop giving these excuses, reasons to yourself and start taking action, start taking that imperfect action, and you will definitely make it happen. I definitely believe and trust you. Okay? So if you like this video, just hit that like button and consider subscribe to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.